Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Radar. Looking to save money while shopping online? In this video I'll guide you through using Capital One Shopping to find discounts, apply coupon codes and earn rewards effortlessly. Firstly, install Capital One Shopping. Capital One Shopping is a free browser extension that works with most browsers like Chrome, Firefox and Edge. Once installed, it runs seamlessly in the background. You can install it in here easily in the Google Chrome Web Store. You don't need to be a Capital One customer to use this tool. It's open for everyone. Now you can visit your favorite online retailers. So for example, if I go to my extensions and use this extension for Chrome, as you can see, AT&T Fiber. And we will take in to the page on AT&T where we can get some good value. Capital One Shopping will automatically notify you of any available coupons or better prices from other sellers. For example, if you're on Amazon, it might show you cheaper options for the same product or apply available coupon codes at checkouts. You can also earn rewards. Some purchases will earn you shopping credits. These can be redeemed for gift cards to popular stores like Walmart, Target, and more. Look out for participating stores to maximize your rewards while you shop. You can also use a price comparison feature. When viewing a product, Capital One Shopping shows price comparisons across multiple sellers. Choose the best deal to save instantly. This feature ensures you're always getting the best value without manually searching on multiple sites. And now you can enjoy the savings. Once you've checked out, Capital One Shopping will confirm your savings or rewards, and now you can shop smarter, save more and get rewards, all with just a few clicks. Ready to start saving? Download Capital One Shopping and take your online shopping experience to the next level. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if this helped, like the video of course, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.